Hey guys, wanna get WhatsApp chats dark or WhatsApp app completely into the dark mode? Let me show you how to do it in just a couple of steps. So follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial and now let's get started. First off, open WhatsApp on your device and you'll land on the chats page. So now we will need to open the settings. The way there could be different depending on the device, but I'll just tap on that gear icon at the bottom right. So now scroll down a bit until you see the chats option and just give it a tap. Then go to the default chat theme and here just click on the wallpaper option right there at the bottom. Here open the set a color option right there at the top and now scroll down completely just for selecting the darkest color right here. So when selected, just click on the set option right there at the top. And now let me show you how to enable the dark mode in the WhatsApp completely. So to fully make WhatsApp dark and not only chats, just enter the settings app of your device and now scroll down a bit to tap on the display and brightness option right here and just select the dark option right there, and every app that allows there to be a dark mode will be automatically turned into the dark version of this app. So this is pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.